Thank you for joining me for today's video. Today we are going to draw an Earth. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me. To begin drawing our cute Earth, find something round that you can trace. I used an old tape roll. Then we're going to draw some cute eyes on our Earth. Big round eyes. Draw a big half circle in the upper corner of the eye and a smaller half circle in the bottom corner. This will be the reflection of our eyes. For the mouth, a nice big one, a line across the top and then an upside down rainbow shape for the bottom of the mouth. To make the bodies of land, you just draw 3 blobs. They don't have to be perfect, you don't even have to look at a globe. Just 3 blobs of land will work good for your Earth. We're going to outline everything with a permanent marker. This will give your drawing a finished look. It'll also help when you're coloring with the marker so that it won't smear. After you're done outlining with the permanent marker and filling in the eyes, you can start coloring with a green marker for the 3 areas of land. I chose a light blue for the water. And your Earth is done. Remember, if you liked this video, subscribe to my channel. I have more drawings coming.